water, diesel in the dawn. MFV Innisfallen, bringing in the Cold wind rising, North Sea carry on. Radar glowing through the dark, bringing home the Pulling through Eyemouth Bay, gulls cry overhead. Deck lights glowing through the mist, North Sea painting red. Winds is groaning, ropes pull tight. Steam road drifting in the morning light, and the harbor waits for the boats coming home. Engines thunder through the foam. Ride, Eyemouth Prawns, straight off the North Sea all night long. Ride, all the men in his fallen, steaming through the wind. Ride, big sail with the prom, everybody shouting when the boat comes home. Past the harbor wall she turns, slow against the tide. Wheelhouse lights and battered rails, Berwickshire pride. Boxes stacking, boots on steel. Hard men working for another deal. Harbor wakening, morning rain. Diesel smoking through the lanes. Hear the seagulls cry, hear the engines roar. Innisfallen heading for the shore. Hey, Eyemouth Prawns, straight up the North Sea all night long. Hey, pink and sweet, rattling down the harbor street. Hey, fresh off the tide, Innisfallen coming in with Berwickshire pride. Hey, long nights working, frozen hands, weather rolling across the sands. North Sea rising, black and cold. Every haul worth more than gold. From Stadium's Head to Eyemouth Town, everybody knows that sound. Diesel thunder, morning sky. One more run, one more time. Eyemouth Prawns, sing it loud across the harbor tonight. Hey, hold them high, seagulls wheeling in the sky. Big dirty Prawns, Innisfallen singing her diesel song. Fresh off the sea, MFV Innisfallen forever free. Line to shore, engines down. Morning breaks on Eyemouth Town. Cold grey water, diesel town. Paddle city waves singing pride.
If you enjoyed this footage, please like, comment and subscribe. It means a lot to me and costs you now.